Assalamualaikum and a lovely, lovely, lovely morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you're all feeling great. You have started your day with full energy and you're enjoying the day because it's beautiful, cloudy weather outside, gray clouds and green trees and drizzling outside. So it's a beautiful day. And in this beautiful day, we are going to start our class. Yes, because we are feeling good and feeling energetic. And I think, like, I wish that you all had your breakfast. Everybody, all of you. Okay, that's great because the breakfast is the very important meal of the day because that is the first meal of the day. And after that, you have to start your day, and you should be like taking calcium, a little of protein, a little of fiber, so that you can work for the first half of the day with full energy, right? Okay, so we're going to start. As you know, that we have finished the alphabets, we have done the vocabulary revision as well. So we are just going to do the writing today because just to prepare our fingers for the writing in 4 lines later on, right? So we are going to start that, and yes, of course, for that you will be needing your lead pencils, and you will be needing your alphabet fun book N to Z. We will be doing the small alphabets today. Yeah, we will do from A to Z. Would that be okay? Because you all know the formation now, you know how to write, you have followed the lines and the arrows and all and the red dot, so now you know from where you're going to start and where you are going to stop. So you all know that, right? And you're comfortable with that? So you all ready? Because you'll not be tracing today, you are going to only write. Yes, okay. So everybody take out this book, and now you'll be taking out page number 68. Yes. Please take out page number 68, on which you can see the alphabets written over there. Yeah. Can you see the alphabets? Yes. So they're starting with the alphabet. Yes, that's starting with the alphabet A. Okay, so everybody, lead pencil in your hand. Okay, now you are going to put the book flat on the table, as I always tell you, right? So you'll be able to write very nicely. Okay, so you're going to put this flat on the table, and you're going to sit properly. Yeah, feel that, make the place that where you are comfortably sitting. Yeah, so we're going to start. Okay, so this is what you can see over here, right? Alphabets over here, then there are dotted alphabets, and then we are going to write in the 4 boxes. We're going to write all by ourselves, right? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to start with A. So they have just given you a red dot and a dotted line just for you to recall that. So we've done that. It's been a long time. So once again, when you're writing it, you'll be writing, starting with the tracing. Okay, so once you will trace on the line, you'll get to know that, yeah, okay, the formation of A was like starting with the red dot, then half circle, then a line going down, right? So you're going to follow that. So first of all, you're going to trace the first alphabet, right? Now you are only going to write these two. The rest of the 2 lines you'll be doing for your homework, right? Okay. So I hope you can see the book. Okay, that's great. So we're going to start from here. Yes, all of you put your pencil over here and trace A. Good. Very good. I went off the line. That's no problem, right? You can trace it 3 times, right? Yes. Trace alphabet A 3 times, and then you're going to write over here 2 times. A, 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 A. These two you're going to do for your Yes, for your homework. Right. Okay. Now you're going to write here A, write here A. After tracing this A 3 times. Yes, 3 times. Good. Okay, so did you do that? Okay, now you're going to write here 2 times A, right? Starting from here and then making a semicircle and then drawing the line. Okay, do it nicely. You can take your time. There's no need to hurry, but write nicely, right? Yeah, only 2 times you're going to write. You're going to trace 3 times, but you're going to write yourself only 2 times, right? Okay, that's good. You done? Okay. Yeah, I know that it's easy for you, but still you need to write a little slowly so you can write very, very, very well. Okay. Okay. Now we have B. Yes. So first of all, trace down B. Yes. Trace down and then circle, half circle. Trace down. Yes. Now do it 3 times. Very good. Now, did you get that? You're going to trace 3 times and then you're going to write 3 times. Okay. So first of all, we're going to trace that. So you will get to know that. And then you're going to write. Okay. Now we're going to come on to the C. Yes. Semicircle. C. C. Yes. All of you trace C 3 times. Yes. Okay. Now D. That is the opposite of B, right? 2 and 3. You do the same as am I doing, right? Yeah, but slowly. I'm doing a little faster because I have to show it to you, but you're going to do it slowly. There's no need to hurry, right? Okay, then we have E. That we're going to start from here. Go. Yes, E. Start from here. Yes. E. Yes. Okay, now F. F. Yes, very good. All of you. Good, good, good. Very good. Very nice. And the last one is G. Sorry, G. Giraffe. The sound is G, as in grapes, as in gate, as in glasses, remember? Yeah. Okay. That's great. Okay. We're going to come on to the next page. And this says H first. Right. Are you all ready? Yeah, turn the page. Sorry, flip the book. You can just flip the book. Okay, starting from here, down, curve down, down, curve down, down, curve down, right? Okay, let's do it, do it, do it. Good. Okay, now I. Starting from red dot, and then there's a dot, dot, and dot. Okay. Now we have J, as in jug, as in juice, as in jet, as in jungle. Yes, that's great. That is lovely. Okay. Okay, the next is K. These are all small alphabets which you're doing right now, okay? K. And yes, K. That is great. L is also very easy. a straight line, and then a little curve over here. A little curve over here. Straight coming down and a little curve over here. You've done it? Okay. You're doing it so quickly. Okay, no problem. So, right? Yes. Starting from here, curve down and curve it down. Yes, over here. Curve down, curve down. Once more. That's great. Okay, now you're going to turn the page and you will come up on page number 70. Yes, come up on page number 70. Okay. Now here we're going to do and yes, and right, and right. Okay, now but P as in parrot, as in Pakistan. P. You done it? Good. Okay, now we have Q. That is almost the opposite of P, but a little line over here, as you can see. Yes. Q. Yes. Q. Yes. Okay, that's great. Now, R. Yay. Okay. S as for snake, S as in snail, as in spider. Yes, okay. So after that, T. Okay. T. Oh, sorry. This and this. Yeah, you're going to do it along with that. You're not going to do this later on. Okay, that is great. Okay, so your fingers are ready now for writing. I know now that is enough, I think, up till T. We're going to do the rest in the next class, right? Because we have to practice that. So this was our literacy class right now, in which we have studied writing the alphabet. So you even learn to practice writing in the books. So you can even write, if you're having like some problem, you can take a bigger paper, right, and write the big alphabet on that, and then you can trace that if you're having any difficulty in the formation of any alphabet, right? So otherwise, you all are doing so well. I'm so happy. That was super great. You did so well. So we'll have to do the capital letters as well. That we'll be doing once we'll finish the small letters. Okay, so this was our literacy class today, and I hope you're enjoying all the lectures and you're enjoying learning over here with us and enjoying the videos. So I am going to remind you to just subscribe the channel, yeah, and give the videos a thumbs up. Yeah, that's great. Okay, so I'm going to say goodbye from this class, and I'll see you in the next class, inshallah, very soon. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever we have. Okay, so till we see each other soon.